Black skull license frame. Customize your car with this custom license plate frame with an ornate skull design and smooth matte black finish. The frame fits all standard-issued U.S. license plate frames and is easy to install. Front and rear license plate. A durable die-cast metal construction withstands the elements and helps protect your plates while bringing an eye-catching finish to a project car. Custom frame. Customize your car and fit it to your personal style with a variety of heavy-duty, weather-resistant license plate frames to protect your plates and add flash to your vehicle. Interior and exterior car accessories. We provide you with plenty of car auto accessories to customize your vehicle. Check out our floor mats, deer alerts, phone cup holders, chargers, Bluetooth speakers and more. Aftermarket accessories. Our mission at Custom Accessories is to offer automotive accessories from industry-leading brands. Feel excited about your vehicle with ArmorAll, Pennzoil, Realtree Xtra and more. Style your vehicle with a custom frame's Flaming Skull license plate frame. This plate frame is made of a heavy-duty zinc die cast with a smooth, matte black powder-coated finish. This plate is designed to fit any U.S. license plate frame, and the pre-drilled mounting holes allow for quick and simple installation to your vehicle. Top reviews from the United States. Feels heavier than looks. Got 2 plates for the price of one versus a local auto store. Goodbye.